Have you ever felt stuck in a cycle of unhealthy habits? Are you tired of trying various diets and exercise routines without seeing sustainable results? If so, fasting might be the powerful tool you need to break free and transform your body. This ancient practice has gained renewed popularity in recent years, and for good reason. Fasting offers a natural and effective way to reset your body, boost metabolism, and achieve lasting changes. In this video, we'll explore the 6 stages of fasting and how they can help you unlock your full potential. Stage 1. Ketosis. The journey begins with ketosis, a metabolic state where your body starts burning fat for energy instead of glucose. This typically occurs between 12 and 16 hours after your last meal. During this stage, your liver converts fatty acids into ketone bodies, providing an alternative fuel source for your brain and muscles. As a result, you may experience increased mental clarity, steady energy levels, and a reduction in cravings. Stage 2. Increased autophagy. As fasting progresses, your body enters a state of increased autophagy. This natural process involves the breakdown and recycling of damaged or unnecessary cells and proteins. Autophagy plays a crucial role in cellular repair and regeneration, helping to remove toxins and promote overall health. This stage typically occurs around 16 to 24 hours into a fast. Stage 3. Growth hormone optimization. Fasting has a profound impact on your hormonal balance, particularly when it comes to growth hormone. Around 24 to 48 hours into a fast, your body experiences a surge in growth hormone levels. This hormone is essential for building and maintaining lean muscle mass, promoting fat burning, and supporting overall cellular repair and regeneration. Stage 4. Insulin regulation. One of the most significant benefits of fasting is its ability to regulate insulin levels. Insulin is a hormone responsible for controlling blood sugar levels and facilitating the storage of excess calories as fat. By reducing insulin levels, your body becomes more efficient at utilizing stored fat for energy. This stage typically occurs between 48 and 72 hours into a fast. Stage 5. Stem cell regeneration. Around 54 hours into a fast, your body enters a remarkable stage where stem cell regeneration is activated. Stem cells are the body's raw materials, capable of transforming into various cell types and contributing to tissue repair and regeneration. This stage offers the potential for rejuvenation and healing at a cellular level. Stage 6. Autophagy peak. The final stage of fasting is the peak of autophagy, which occurs around 72 hours or longer into a fast. During this stage, your body undergoes a deep cleansing process, breaking down and recycling damaged cells and proteins at an accelerated rate. This process can lead to improved immune function, increased longevity, and a reduction in inflammation. Throughout this video, we'll dive deeper into each stage, exploring the scientific evidence behind fasting, practical tips for getting started, and strategies for maintaining a healthy and sustainable fasting routine. Get ready to embark on a transformative journey towards a healthier, more vibrant you.